So what are 5 different strategies for making money in real estate investing? Hi, my name's Darren Wright and I'm your real estate investor. So let's start off with the first one that everyone seems to know is wholesaling. So you can buy a property and not actually close on the property. So you're going to put a condition in there that you can reassign it to somebody else. So you're finding these properties, you're finding all the good deals, and then you're going to pass them off to somebody else and make yourself some money as an assignment fee, which the new buyer will pay you for. And then moving on to that, we're going to work on flips. Everybody's seen TV and it's all glamorous when someone buys a property and spends a little bit of money and makes lots of profit on it. So a lot of people, when they first get into real estate, they want to do flips. We've done that as well. We started off flipping and really enjoyed the process. So that's a really good way of making money as well, and be very creative. And then there is what people normally develop into after flips is the buy and hold, because they realize that when you're flipping, you're constantly trying to work and make money. Whereas if you do a buy and hold, it's then lasts longer over time. So buy and hold is for rental property. So you're going to buy a property and hold on to it while you rent it out and have the tenants help pay the mortgage. This can be done on a single family home, a duplex or a triplex, and they're the smaller residential holdings, or even up to a fourplex, whatever you like. Some people even do a house hack on this as well, where you can live in one unit and rent out the other units to subsidize your mortgage. So therefore it helps you get started in real estate. Then there is the burst strategy that we spoke about before, and there's a video right here if you want to learn more about the burst strategy. But this is combining the two together, where you're going to flip a property and then hold it, because the BRRRR is buy, renovate, rent, refinance, and repeat. And then we can move on to the short-term rentals, which is everybody knows, Airbnb, where you're going to have it's a little bit of a mix of a buy and hold, where you're going to hold the property, and instead of renting it on a longer term, you're going to do a more short term, and you're going to furnish it as well. So it is an in-between of a hotel and an apartment that you might do. It could be a house. These are very popular where you have a hospital nearby and people need to spend, some time with loved ones, or in a tourist location as well. There's many reasons why people want to do a short-term rental. And then I'm going to move on to the multifamily as a bonus one as well, because I love the multifamily. We buy apartment buildings and we love them. This is a buy and hold, where we do very creative deals to buy as many properties as we can using investors' money, and we're the working partners, where we bring the deals together and bring all the partners together and teams together, and then we do monthly distributions. And we found this to be our most favorite place to invest in real estate.